Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Spotify Jam. So before I start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot, and also if you like the video, that also helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up your Spotify app, and from there you basically want to open any song you want. So let's open this one. And you see at the bottom left you have this like speaker and computer icon. So bottom left, you would click on that, and from there you want to click on Start a Jam. And now basically you are in this jam and you can invite friends to join your jam. So you can share your link. If you were to click on share a link, you can share it with whatever platform you have. You can just tap phones if you have Bluetooth turned on, or your friend can just scan this QR code and join your jam that way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.